Okay, so you own a truck. You're a blue collar guy. And this Saturday morning, you could have your first paying client for a side hustle that costs less than $500 to start.
Hell yes.
No website, no LLC, no business plan. Just your truck, a post on Facebook Marketplace, and a skill you can learn in one afternoon.
Come on, man. That's too easy.
I found 11 side hustles that guys are running straight from their truck, and every single one could put cash in your pocket this weekend. I've got 12 years as a union carpenter, 6 years as a project manager, and 12 years as a UAW inspector. And over 30 years in blue collar work, I'm about to show you 11 ways to turn the truck you're already paying for into a cash machine. And number 5, it's the one that surprised me the most. And number 11, it can scale the fastest. So make sure and stay tuned for both. Guys, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button and notification bell because I got 11 hustles all from your truck all this weekend. I appreciate it. Let's get into it. Number 1, junk removal. Fastest path from a truck to cash. Your startup, it's under $300 and people pay $150 to $400 per load just to haul their junk away. And 1-800-GOT-JUNK franchises, they're charging $300 to $500 for the same service. So do 2 loads on Saturday, $300 to $800. Half of what you haul has resale value too sometimes. You're getting paid to pick it up and money making on the back end. This is kick-ass to get started on a weekend and make a little extra money. Number 2, mobile detailing. You drive to the customer, detail their car in the driveway. No shop, no rent, no overhead. The startup, it's $300 to $500. Full details, they run $150 to $300. Ceramic coating with Ceramic Pro or Gitsheen products, $300 to $500 per vehicle. IDA certified detailers, they charge premium rates. 3 details on a Saturday, you're talking about $450 to $900 cash. Number 3, moving and delivery. Most people don't own a truck, and they need you. The startup, it's $70. Some dollies, blankets, $30 to $50 per hour. Larger moves, $300 to $800 per job. Platforms like Dolly and GoShare and Bellhop, they connect you with customers. Just put in there, sign up today, and I'll be there tomorrow to move your junk. Number 4, lawn care. The most proven truck-based side hustle in America history. This is no mystery, guys. Toro push mower, trimmer, and blower, $300 to $800 to start. $30 to $60 per yard. 15 yards a week in your spare time, you're talking about $450 to $900 a week. Every week, April to October. And the magic word, recurring revenue. 20 weekly clients at $40 each is $800 a week. It's automatic. And platforms like Lawn Guru, they connect you with local customers, so you'll be busy as hell if you want. So we're 4 hustles in. Not a single one required a certification, a license, or a degree. The barrier isn't money, it's just deciding to get off your butt and start. Number 5, the one I told you to stay for, parking lot striping. Painting the lines in parking lots. It sounds boring, right? But that's why it prints money. Graco striping machine, $500 to $1,000. A single lot job pays $300 to $600. It takes about 1 or 2 hours, and it's easy finding work, you just gotta do a little hustling. $300 to $600 for 1 to 2 hours of work. Every business with a parking lot needs restriping every 1 or 2 years. One guy earns $165,000 a year, I know. He takes the winters off, and most underrated truck hustle in America is striping. Drive around, look for faded lines, walk in, and quote the job. It's easy breezy. Number 6, mobile mechanic. We're talking about oil changes, brake jobs, alternators, starters. You go to the customer. Fix it in their driveway, $50 to $120 per hour. A brake job pays $200 to $300. Your truck is the shop, and your tools, they're probably in your garage or your truck already. Hey guys, make sure and check out Course Careers if you're looking to get into the skilled trades, because they connect you with employers after your certification. They have thousands of real reviews. Check out the link down in the description. The next 5 hustles include the one with the highest scaling potential on this entire list. Number 7, scrap metal. If you work in the construction of any trade that produces metal waste, you're sitting on free money. Copper wire, $3 to $4 a pound at any scrapyard. Aluminum, steel, brass, recycling centers pay cash. A truckload of mixed scrap, $200 to $500. Advertise free pickup on Facebook, and people call you. It's got 0 startup costs, and you can make some serious extra cash doing this. I did it for a couple years. Number 8, Paintless Dent Repair, PDR. You remove dents without repainting. The toolkit, it's $500 to $1,500, $75 to $250 per dent. A car with 5 or 6 dents is $500 to $1,000 job. It's 1 to 2 hours. All hail season. PDR techs are booked solid for months. Some guys chase hailstorms and clear 100,000 in a single season. This one will require a little training probably, but check into it, guys. It can be a big money maker. Number 9, Firewood Delivery. Source wood from tree services for free. You split it, you stack it, and you deliver it. This one's going to take a little physical work. A quart of hardwood sells for $250 to $400. Your cost? Gas and a chainsaw. You stack it all summer and sell it all fall and winter. You're talking about $10,000 to $20,000 in seasonal income if you get after it. Number 10, snow removal. The plow attachment, $1,500 to $3,000. Driveways, $25 to $75 per push. Commercial lots, $150 to $500. You're talking about seasonal contracts, guys. If you land these, they're $2,000 to $5,000 per season. 10 driveways and 2 commercial jobs, that's $10,000 to $15,000 in guaranteed wintered income. How about big storm days? $3,000 to $5,000 in a single event if you get out there and chase it. Lawn care in summer, firewood in fall, plowing in winter, that's 3 hustles, 1 truck, and year-round income. And number 11, the one with the highest scaling potential, Hotshot Trucking. Using your truck to haul freight, equipment, and materials that are too small for semis, but too big for regular delivery. We're talking about construction materials, farm equipment, machinery. Loads pay $800 to $3,000 per haul. Load boards like DAT and Uber Freight connect you with the loads. You start local on weekends, equipment for contractors, materials between job sites. Start up beyond the truck, $500 to $2,000. The scaling path, add a flatbed trailer. Get your MC number and DOT registration, FMCSA compliance required for interstate hauling though. Build relationships with contractors and freight brokers. Guys who start on weekends and build it out are running $200,000 to $500,000 in annual revenue. This is the hustle that can become a full trucking company if you get out there and get at it. Now, I was going to stop at 11, but while I was researching this video, I found 3 more that were too good to leave out. So consider these 3 your bonus round, guys. Bonus number 1, gutter cleaning. It's a truck, a ladder, a leaf blower, a scoop. The startup, under $200. The pay, $100 to $250 per house. Average house takes around 30 to 45 minutes. Do 5 or 6 houses on Saturday if you're really getting it. That's $500 to $1,500. Every homeowner with trees needs gutters cleaned twice a year. Post it in your neighborhood Facebook group in October or March and your phone won't stop ringing. Nobody wants to climb a ladder and scoop wet leaves. That's your advantage. Add gutter guard insulation as an upsell. They're easy to install. That's another $100 to $200 per house. It's the same ladder, the same customer, just some more money. Bonus number 2, Christmas light installation. You've heard of this before, right? It's a 10-week window. It's mid-October through early January. Guys are making $20,000 to $50,000 in that window alone if they're really getting it. A single residential install runs $200 to $600. Commercial properties, $1,000 to $3,000. The startup, $300 to $800. You're just talking about a ladder, clips, commercial-grade LED lights. 4 to 6 installs per weekend at $300 to $500. That's $1,200 to $3,000 per weekend for 10 straight weeks. And customers sign up year after year. It's the same houses, it's the same lights, it's the same schedule. Reoccurring seasonal revenue that grows every year because every neighbor who sees your work calls you next. Bonus number 3, roadside assistance. Jump starts, tire changes, lockouts, fuel delivery. Every day in your city, people are stranded on the side of the road. They'll pay $50 to $150 for someone to show up fast. It's a portable jump pack, $100. Tire change kit, you probably already have it. The startup, $200 to $500. Register with platforms like Honk or Urgently. They send you your calls in your area. Most roadside jobs take 15 to 30 minutes, 3 to 4 calls in an evening. Even take a gas can with you and help people out. $150 to $600 for a couple hours of driving around. Guys running this full time, $80,000 to $120,000 a year. That's 14 total side hustles, all from one truck. Some are seasonal, some are year-round, some pay by the hour, some pay by the job, but every single one starts the same way. You decide to start, you post an ad, and you show up with your truck. That's 14 paths to extra income. 1 vehicle, 0 excuses. 11 side hustles, all from your truck. Junk removal, detailing, moving, lawn care, parking lot striping, mobile mechanic, scrap metal, paintless dent repair, firewood, snow removal, and Hotshot Trucking. 11 hustles all startable this weekend. Your truck isn't transportation anymore, it's a platform. You're already paying for the truck. Every hustle on this list turns that expense into an income. So pick one. Start this weekend, post the ad, make the call, and load the truck. Try it out, guys, and see what happens. 11 hustles, one truck, zero excuses. Check out the 2 videos I recommend on the end screen and all my videos here on JV Charles TV. I think you're going to love them. We talk about blue collar, skilled trades jobs, and how to make some real money in the future. I'll see you on the next one. I'm JV Charles. I'm out.